The weather outside isn't too flying friendly, so I figured I will make a video about making a prop spinner for my new airplane. Welcome! If you stay to the end, you will see how easy it is. What you need is 2 pieces of building insulation, bottle cap, longish machine screw to match your shaft, and some glue. I use polyurethane. So first, you mark your dimensions so you got size you want and your spinner is going to close nicely. Next, you drill the holes for your bottle cap. In the base piece, you go all the way through, and in the cover, you just take out what is needed for your male part of the bottle cap. Dremel is quite handy here. Then you glue in both parts. I found out that polyurethane glue works best for me. Base part you temporarily attach to your machine screw and roughly cut to shape. Blue tape here I use to further fine-tune my cut. I hope it will save me the mess in my workshop. Then I turn my drill into a lathe and using sanding block get the final shape. I really enjoyed this part. Now the machine screw simulates my shaft, so I mark the cutouts for the prop and make proper notches so it fits nicely. After tryout fit, just a touch of paint. The whole project took me about an hour, not including drying time obviously. Finally onto your plane and it's done. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. It really means a lot to me and drives to come up with more. Thank you and see you in next one.